Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make these beautiful and very attractive paper quilling long earrings or jhumka for ethnic wear, and you can create in as many colors as you want after learning the technique. They look so pretty and very easy to make. So I will show you these beautiful pair of earrings, and without any delay let's start with procedure. First I'm starting with making the jhumka bases. So for the pink jhumka I am taking 2.5 strips of pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Just secure the end using glue and the first tight coil is ready. Then I am taking total 4 strips of golden color in 3 mm and making one more tight coil. After that I am taking total 5 strips of light blue color in 3 mm and making one more tight coil. Then I am taking my quilling mold and shaping each tight coil as a dome shape, just to match with the another pair of the jhumka. I am checking the height for both the domes. They should look like same in the height so that it will become twin pair. Similarly I am making dome for each tight coil. Then adding glue inside each tight coil and spreading it using glue. Allow it to dry completely for a few minutes. It's dried, and now in the bottom part of the jhumka I am just adding stone chain. So just adding glue around the base of the jhumka, and then I will add the stone chain. Similarly, I am adding stone chain on the golden jhumka base. And in the same way, I have already decorated the pink jhumka using stone chain or diamond chain. So this is done. Now to create the stud I am taking half strip of pink color and making one tight coil. Then around this I am going to add pearl chain. So just adding glue and adding the pearl chain. Like this. Then here I am taking one strip of golden color and wrapping it around the stud. Then I am taking two strips of blue color and wrapping it completely. Just secure the end and allow it to dry. Till that time I am just decorating the top of the jhumka using flower caps. So here I am using these golden color flower caps and sticking it using glue. Like this, allow it to dry. Then here I am taking gold mirror cardstock paper circle, and exactly in the center of the circle I am making one hole using 2 mm hole punch machine. You can also use poker tool to poke the hole, and then just from the back side I am adding liquid glue. Passing one stud base through the hole. Add little glue on the stud as well, and then stick it from the back side of the quilling stud. Push it nicely and stick it very well. So stud is ready. Now if you want to make quilling stud earrings, you can just create like this. But we are making jhumka, so I will proceed with the bottom decoration. So to decorate the stud from bottom, I am taking here some teardrops, and to create the teardrop I am taking half strip of blue color and making one tight teardrop shape. In the same way we need total 4 in blue color and 2 in pink color. Then I am taking half strip of golden color and making one more tight teardrop shape. Like this. Then taking back my stud, and I'm just decorating one side of the stud using these teardrop shapes. Like this. Then I start making the jhumka bases. So first I am taking T-pin, passing one pearl through this, then passing my pink jhumka. Then after that I am passing one more pearl, just twisting the wire from top. Then passing one eye pin through this, secure the bended pin. Then passing one gold color Jhumka, adding one pearl, again twisting the wire and making the loop, then passing one eye pin through this, secure the loop, and at the end I am passing my blue color Jhumka, cutting the excess wire from top and just twist the wire and create the loop and just lock it. So the base is ready. Then I am taking one gold color jump ring, open this, pass through the center teardrop shape, then I'm passing my Jhumka bases through this and securing the jump ring, and this is done. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now to decorate the stud little more, I'm just decorating it using some half cut pearls and stone. So just adding little dots of glue and decorating it. Like this. Then at the end, for finishing touch and to make it more sturdy and waterproof, I am applying Quilling varnish. You can also use any kind of acrylic varnish or paper varnish. Allow it to dry completely, and the beautiful long fashion earrings are ready. I have added the back lock and they are looking super pretty. Allow it to dry completely before use, and in the same way I have created one more Jhumka. So our set is ready and you can create in many colors after learning this. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.